Today I will show you how to add stop loss on Kraken, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like for you to understand is that if you'd like to trade indices, cryptocurrency, or any form of trading commodity on Kraken, you will have to do it on Kraken Pro because the basic Kraken is just for managing your portfolio. You're gonna have to go to pro.kraken.com, and once you're on the Kraken Pro, you're gonna authenticate yourself. You're gonna log in, and once you do that, you're gonna come to the left sidebar right here. You're gonna click on Trade. Now on Trade, we're gonna use the example of a limit to display how to add stop loss. But if you'd like to use the market entry, you're going to come here and you're going to choose market. And once you enter into the trade, it's going to enter at market price. But let's say for the purpose of this tutorial, we're using the limit, and we're going to have to set a limit that we want the market to buy from. Now, once we set the limit of where we want the market to buy from, you can see it will display the market price on the chart. Now you're going to go back to the order form and you're going to click on the tab that says limit. And now we're going to come to stop loss limit. Now, stop loss limit, we're going to have to set the stop loss for our buy order. And once we click on this, you see the buy order here. Now the stop loss for the buy order is here. If you want to move the stop loss, you're going to move it and adjust it to where you'd prefer it. Now, once you're done, you're going to add USD to trade, and you're going to execute a trade, and the trade is going to trigger at the limit that you set. Otherwise, if you want to enter the market at market price, you're going to have to come here and then do the same thing using the market. You enter at the market price, and you're going to come to stop loss, and you're going to set it the same way we did for the limit. That's how to add stop loss on Kraken. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.